What's up guys, Martina here. I am unboxing my new Sojos sunglasses. I've actually purchased these for years, so I'm excited to have some new sunnies by them. They do like tons of different lens colors, as well as different styles. Sorry, I just dropped my little package here that has the microfiber cloth as well as a case for the sunglasses itself. So you can see little goodies come with it, very high quality. I have worn these sunglasses, so I'm gonna give them just a quick little wipe up top. Love this kind of like tortoise shell, I think they call it on the frame. It just has a really nice shape and style. So here's how they look. Super cute. Also, this shape works so well if you have your hair kind of up, you want to be incognito while you go out shopping or do some errands. I'm all about that. So super cute. Definitely check out Sojos.